Many students begin study plans full of motivation, only to feel overwhelmed, burned out, and ultimately give up. This struggle is more common than you might think, but the root of the problem often lies in trying to force life into rigid schedules that don't work. The good news? You can build a study routine that fits your lifestyle, one that's flexible, sustainable, and still leads to academic success. In this video, you'll learn how to create a personalized, stress-free study routine that works with your life, not against it. You'll walk away with practical, actionable tips that you can start using immediately. If you're ready to study smarter and live better, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, comment below with your current study challenge, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss another insight that could change your life. Let's begin with the story of Krithika Selvarajoo, a student at the University of Missouri, Kansas City. Krithika took on an intense schedule, extra credit hours, work shifts, and volunteer commitments, hoping to maximize her time. However, she quickly became mentally exhausted, sleep-deprived, and academically overwhelmed. Her wake-up call came when she realized she was burning out. Instead of pushing harder, she chose to step back, reduce her workload, and refocus on self-care and balance. That decision helped her regain control and improve both her performance and well-being. So, the key lesson here? Your study routine really starts with self-awareness. Before you sit down to create your schedule, ask yourself, when do I actually focus best? Some people thrive early in the morning, while others, concentrate way better at night. Do you need breaks every 25 minutes? Or maybe you feel more focused after a bit of exercise. Just observe your natural energy rhythms and try to build your routine around them. A schedule that ignores your personal flow will, honestly, only set you up for frustration. Next, think of it this way. Treat your brain like a muscle. You wouldn't go to the gym and lift weights every single day without rest. And well, the same goes for studying. Rest isn't a waste of time. It's actually a productivity tool. Make sure to include regular breaks in your schedule, like a 10-minute walk or even a short nap. Even taking the weekend off can make a really big difference. When you rest deliberately, you retain more and stay motivated. Another crucial concept is prioritization. Not everything needs your attention every single day. Instead, use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of topics that bring 80% of your results. Identify your top 3 academic priorities for the week ahead and let those guide your daily sessions. This keeps your efforts focused and impactful. And remember, life is unpredictable. You'll miss a session, get sick, or face unexpected obligations. Don't let that derail your whole plan. Think of your schedule like GPS. If you miss a turn, it recalculates. Your routine should adjust with you. Be kind to yourself when life happens, but keep showing up consistently. Ultimately, a successful study schedule isn't about stuffing more hours into your day. It's about designing a rhythm that fuels your energy, supports your goals, and allows room for rest and flexibility. When you do that, you don't just survive, you thrive. If this video resonated with you, imagine what consistent guidance and strategies could do for your long-term growth. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this with a friend who needs it. And remember, true success doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter. Your journey starts now.